Right now, saving time and money on the job is more important than ever. Using Streem to perform a video diagnosis helps you do both by allowing you to inspect the trouble and diagnose a solution from anywhere before the in-home visit. That means fewer truck rolls, less travel time, and improved productivity for you. Faster service and more convenience for your customers. All your customer needs is a smartphone and a convenient time when they can be home for the appointment. They don't need to download or install anything. Here's how it works. At the time of the video diagnosis appointment, you'll send your customer a text through the Streem Expert desktop or mobile app. This contains a secure link to start the appointment. They simply click to agree and grant access, and the appointment starts. During the call, you can guide them using on-screen tools. These include a laser pointer to point out important areas or parts, and a drawing tool to highlight certain things along the way. You can also take photos of the appliance or system needing repair and collect other product details. At the end of your appointment, simply advise your customer on the next step to complete the repair. This step helps you know whether or not you can service the item, what parts are needed before rolling a truck, and which technician is right for the job. It's better than a phone call, faster than a house call. Streem, it's better than being there. To learn more about virtual appointments, visit streem.com.